Good morning, team. Today, I want to discuss the upcoming implementation of our new electronic health record system. This system will streamline our workflow, improve patient care, and enhance communication between departments.
I'm excited about the new EHR. What are some of the key features, MIHIRAA?
The EHR will provide real-time access to patient information, including medical history, medications, and vital signs. It will also streamline the documentation process and reduce errors.
I'm concerned about the learning curve. Will there be sufficient training to get us familiar with the new system?
We've planned comprehensive training sessions to ensure everyone is comfortable using the EHR. There will also be ongoing support available if you have any questions or encounter difficulties.
MIHIRAA, will this new system affect our workflow significantly?
There may be some initial adjustments as we adapt to the new system. However, in the long run, the EHR will improve efficiency and reduce administrative burdens.
I understand that undergoing medical testing can feel overwhelming, Mihira, but I want to reassure you that this process is a proactive and gentle step toward ensuring your heart is as healthy as possible. During this test, we carefully monitor how your heart functions when it is working a bit harder than usual, such as during physical exertion. As you move, our team keeps a close watch on your heart rate, your blood pressure, and the electrical rhythm of your heart to see how well it adapts to increased demand. The primary purpose of this assessment is to provide us with a clear picture of your cardiovascular health that might not be visible while you are at rest. By observing your heart under stress, we can identify signs of coronary artery disease or detect narrowed arteries that may not cause symptoms during your normal daily routine. This allows us to find what is sometimes called silent heart disease, ensuring we can provide you with the most accurate diagnosis and the best possible care moving forward. Please know that you will be in a safe, controlled environment the entire time, and our main goal is simply to gather the information needed to keep you feeling your best.